Good morning. I wanted to just see if I could say hello. I've never had a chance, I don't believe, to meet any of you. This is a very challenging time. I've been doing this for any number of years, and I've always enjoyed being in the classroom and getting to know my students as people in the classroom. And here we are, and I feel like we're trapped in this distant way of trying to communicate. But I'm going to put up at least one video a week from this point forward. I'm not going to cover any material that you need to know for any evaluation purpose in this video. I just want to get us used to a weekly video, and I want to offer you a summary of where I think we are in the course. I'm going to be posting material later today which will complete the first unit in the course, which is sort of general information about the legal profession. And, you know, we had to spend time in talking about lawyers, because if we can find out where lawyers are and what they do, we can find out where paralegals are and what they do. This week, by Friday, I will have the second evaluation posted. It will be 20 points. I've called it in the syllabus and in the course outline a test, but it'll be worth 20 points. You'll have a week to finish it, and we'll then get into, beginning next week, new material, which will involve looking at the sources of the law and I hope practical aspects about that. But I really want to just say hello, and I regret so much that we're not working in a classroom. By the way, a reminder, just send me any questions, and I welcome questions, concerns that you have, but do it please, or send it please to the college email, collins@ecc.edu. And the reason for that is the Blackboard platform, for me at least, is a pain in the neck to work with on my iPhone, and the college email is very easy to access on my iPhone. So if it's after work hours and I'm at home, which would be the case at 8 or 9 or 10 o'clock at night, trying to retrieve a message on Blackboard takes forever. And if it's on my college email, it's very easy to look at, and then I can reply far more quickly than if it's buried in the Blackboard stuff. I'm sure you have discovered that Blackboard isn't really a great thing to work with on a mobile device as opposed to a laptop. Or right now I'm in my law office, and I'm working with my desktop. So again, I welcome you to the course. I'll be doing these videos weekly, and I'm thinking that as we go forward, and I'll certainly let you know, I'm going to put some substantive material in the videos in addition to what I'm posting in the textual format online. Thank you.